Remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. Pan Sobao con ajo. This is Puerto Rican bread with garlic. Garlic bread. Very easy to prepare, and I'm going to show you a very easy method. Get an oven-friendly container, some garlic, several extra virgin olive oil, sufficient, little bit of salt, little bit of pepper. Put it in an oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And leave them there for about maybe, let's make it 15 minutes for now. Let's get the bread. Growing up, this is not, I didn't buy this in Puerto Rico, I live in Virginia, here in the United States. But when I used to be in Puerto Rico, as a child, we have a bakery located, not me as a family, but there was a bakery there on the street behind my street, La Parada 16. I don't know how they're doing today. They're still open. But back then, when I was a kid, over 40 years ago, I used to go there and get the bread. That bread was delicious. And when you want pan de ajo, you don't get it like in slice back then. Just get a big chunk, okay? And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to get a big chunk. In fact, sometimes you got the entire bread. You know what I mean? But I don't want to eat the entire thing. It's for illustration purposes only. Look at this thing. But back then you had the entire thing open, you know, like this. With the bat, what we call el culo, the bat and everything. Pan Sobao, Puerto Rican pan Sobao. So let me have it here ready. Get it out. Some parsley. Spanish we call it perejil, dry parsley. Just a pinch or two. Couple unsalted butter. Make sure it's unsalted because you already put salt. Let it melt this a little bit. And then you're going to squash the garlic, okay? It's going to be like paste. Like paste. Squash, smash. Using a fork. Time to put in the bread. If you want to simplify things, just use a spoon too. See? Much easier. Get the oil and butter on it. And do the same with the others. and put it back in the oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. About 5, maybe 6 minutes later, get it out. See how beautiful? It's not burned. Bread is not burned. That's how it looks. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty.